In this lesson, we'll create materials. Switch to perspective, select ceiling, object properties and tick display as box. Back to camera, press C. Open material editor, make a copy of the base material. Shift held down and drag. Select walls and ceiling, assign new material. Start interactive render. Select diffuse color, hue 24, value 180, saturation 10. Select ceiling, make a new copy of the material. Assign it. Change diffuse color. Value lower, hue 27, saturation 12. Copy material, select panels, assign, create region. Change diffuse color, saturation 20, value 140, hue 19. Glossiness 0.7, Fresnel 2. Reflection color, value 165. Add Corona AO to the field. Select material, right-click on diffuse color, copy. Pick Corona AO, right-click on the white color, paste. Connect map to diffuse color. Change distance to 10. Paste color instead of the black color. Click on it. Value 65. Move region to the cabinet area. Select panel on the other side. Assign material. Select cabinet, group, open. Select its parts, isolate selection. Make sure that you select them all. And isolate. Make a copy of the material. Assign. Change diffuse color. Value 70. Glossiness 0.75. Reflect color 205. Let's do floor. Copy material, select floor in the viewport, assign material. Move offset in the floor generator. Add multi-texture maps to the field from general maps. Manage textures. Select all wooden textures from the folder. Plug in this map to diffuse color. Make region bigger. Add color correction between multi-texture and diffuse color. Advanced. Gamma 1.7. Hue -8. Saturation -50. Add new color correction. Connect multi-texture and plug into reflect color. Add output map in between. Select output. Let's customize curves for reflection. Enable color map, add point, right-click, Bezier smooth and move it to make it lighter and more contrasted. Add one more output, connect maps, add point to the curve, make it smooth and customize it to get nice reflection on the floor. Select material, maps tab, reflect glossiness 90, reflection 80. Let's add color to diffuse so we can mix it with texture. Click on diffuse color, select color from the texture, unplug map, select line, press delete. Pick diffuse color, hue 16, saturation 70, value 70. Back map to diffuse color. Change influence in the map tab to 50. Add advanced filmic in the tone mapping. Increase shoulder strength to get rid of overexposure in the floor. Select carpet, copy base material, assign. Add and connect fall-off map to diffuse. Right-click on the bottom point, Bezier corner. Move the line. Next top point, make it also Bezier corner and move. Select material, right-click, copy diffuse color. Pick fall-off, paste for both colors. Click the top one. Value 60, saturation 190, hue 12. Select material, reflection level 0. Select fall-off again, set second color. Open folder with texture, add map to material editor. Plug into diffuse color, rotate to 90 degrees. Add UV map to the object, box type, set 1200 by all sides. Delete from diffuse, connect to fall-off and to diffuse. Add color correction, connect map. Make a copy. Connect one color correction to another and one more copy. Add maps to fall-off. Select first color correction, advanced, gamma 1.4. Pick next map, advanced, gamma 1.2. And last one, advanced, gamma 4. Select fall-off, mix maps with color to 80 and 70. Change curve a bit. Add composite map between fall-off and diffuse. Select layer 1. Select fall-off, move curve. Choose composite map. Add new layer. Drag color correction to the field and connect it with fall-off and layer 2. Select texture from the folder, add to the field. Rotate to 90 degrees. Connect to layer 2 mask. Select color correction, advanced, gamma 0.5. Copy bitmap, press the button, choose displacement texture. Add Corona displacement mode to the object. You can find it in the modify list. Drag new map to the button. Click on plus in the viewport, select 2D and zoom. Now you can scroll in the camera and see details more closer in the render. Set max level 50. Min level -20. Add one more texture for bump. Pull circle, maps, corona, corona normal, select normal. Connect to the bump and tick box add gamma to input. Right click on the map, show in the viewport. Now you can see how the texture looks in the viewport. Let's make it smaller. Select map, set tiling 2. Now pick corona normal, strength 0.5. We need more color. Select first color correction, saturation 100. Select light color correction, hue -10, saturation -40. Close region and let's go to the next material. Select walls isolated. Go to polygon, select in the viewport. Set ID 2, press enter. Select invert. Set ID 1. Exit polygon. Open material editor, select from the viewport. Right-click on material, change material type. Choose multi-sub-object. Keep all material. Copy material, connect to the second number, and isolate. Pick second material, change diffuse color. Value 60, saturation 100, hue 15. Change saturation to 105. Next we'll do armchair material. Select in the viewport, group, open. Select fabric part. Copy material, add texture and fall off. Connect to diffuse. Select material, assign. Create region. Pick fall off, add point to the curve. Right-click Bezier Smooth, customize curve. Connect bitmap to map 1. Add color correction in between, copy it. Connect to map 2. Advanced, gamma 2. Activate 2D pan zoom, scroll closer in the camera. Select bitmap, set tiling 2. Pick second color correction, saturation -5. Now first color correction, saturation -45. Advanced, gamma 0.4. Select fall off, pick color from the map. Value 110. Now second color, saturation 10, hue 15. Set influence 80 for the second map and 50 for the first. Add UV map to armchair to correct texture. Box type, set 900 for all sides. Select fall off and move curve a little more. Add corona displacement mode. Drag bitmap into button as instance. Min level -1.5, max level 1.5. Change a bit more curve in fall off. Select material, reflection level 0. Make sure that max level in displacement is 1.5, not negative. Now is all good. Pick bottom part of the armchair, copy base material. Select wood texture from the folder, add color correction, connect them to diffuse. Select material and assign. Set saturation -64 in color correction. Advanced, gamma 0.8. Copy map, saturation -100. Add output, connect maps. Plug into reflection. Enable color map in output map. Add point to the curve. Bezier Smooth, customize curve. Exit to deep and zoom, close region. Create new copy of the base material, select pillow. It's a group, open it. Select the main part of the pillow, assign material, create region. Add fall off to diffuse, right-click on bottom point, Bezier corner, move it. Do the same to the top point. Add texture from the folder, connect to diffuse instead of fall off. Select material, glossiness 0.3. Add color correction in between. Advanced, gamma 1.3. Add composite map between color correction and diffuse color. Select layer 1, add new layer. Connect black and white texture to layer 2 mask. Add map from the folder, plug into layer 2. Select composite, change style of the second layer to linear dodge. Opacity 50. Connect the fall off and diffuse. Add color correction, connect maps, advanced, gamma 2. Add texture to the field, pull circle, maps, corona, corona normal, select normal. Tick add gamma to input. Plug into bump. Pan zoom in the camera, connect black and white texture to additional bump. And select last part of the pillow. Copy material, assign. Glossiness 0.3. Copy normal map and bitmap from pillow material. Delete map from additional bump. Connect to bump. Add map from the folder, connect to diffuse. Add color correction in between, saturation -18. Exit to deep and zoom. Select all object, group, close. Select lamp, create new Corona Legacy MTL, assign material. Black diffuse color, reflection level 1, glossiness 0.8. Fresnel 8. Select map from the folder, add composite. Connect maps to reflection color, add new layer. Select one more texture, connect to layer 2. Add mask from the folder, connect it. Activate 2-pan zoom, right-click on the texture, show in the viewport. Open group, select bottom part, add UV map. Box type, right-click, copy, select next part. Right-click, paste. Create region. Select mask, open output tab. Enable color map, add point to curve, Bezier Smooth, customize curve. Select composite, opacity 70. Add map from the folder, add new layer in composite map, connect map to layer 3. Add mask, connect it. Set map channel 2, select bottom part, copy UV map and paste it. Select map channel 2, show map in the viewport. Select gizmo, move and scale map in the viewport. Untick tile in the map. Create region, add new material, assign it. Diffuse color, set value 170. Reflection level 1, reflect color value 200. Open volumetric tab, select SSS from the list. Amount 1, radius 40. Right-click on material, change material type. Select corona layered MTL. Keep old material. Add new corona MTL. Connect to layer 1. Set black diffuse, reflection level 1, refraction level 1. Select corona layered MTL, set influence 15 for layer 1. Select all material from the viewport. Copy second material. Select cabinet, group, open, pick vase, assign material. Move region. Set glossiness 0.45. Reflect color 108. Volumetric tab, select SSS from the list, amount 1, radius 10. Move region, press pick, select vase in the render. Copy material, assign. Diffuse color, value 30, saturation 20. Hue 105. Set Fresnel 2, glossiness 0.9, reflection color 120. Add noise map, connect to bump, size 150. Select material, reflection color 170, show noise in the viewport. Add UV map, box type. Remove all regions. Create new one. Pick button, select vase in the viewport. Copy material, delete noise, assign it. Add texture to the field, connect to diffuse. Select material, glossiness 0.4, reflect color 50, Fresnel 1.52. Add texture, pull, select corona normal. Tick add gamma to input, connect to bump. Show map in the viewport, increase strength. Right-click on material, change material type, select corona layered MTL. Keep old. Copy material, delete color map from second material, connect to the second layer. Diffuse color black, Fresnel 6, glossiness 0.6, reflection color 115. Add map, connect to mask 1. Show in the viewport, select vase. Add UV, box type, set 700 for all sides. Enable color map in output, add point, Bezier smooth, customize curve. Select gizmo in UV map and move it. Exit gizmo. Create new corona MTL, select handles. Assign material. Add texture, connect to diffuse. Select material, reflection level 1, glossiness 0.7, Fresnel 4. Create region. Reflection color 70. Add new map, connect to reflect color. Select handles, add UV map, box type, set 200 for all sides. Copy modifier, select vertical handle, paste. Pick material, reflection 50. Select material from the cabinet, make a copy. Select shelf, assign. Diffuse color, value 110. Select all windows from the list, copy material, assign. Diffuse, value 15, glossiness 0.75, reflection color, value 45. Select shelf material in the viewport. Select top part of the cabinet, assign. Open render setup, right-click in the viewport, unhide all. Create new material. Select glass from the list, assign material. Diffuse black, reflection 1, refraction 1. Tick refraction override box in render setup, press none. Corona bitmap, select background. Drag it to material editor as instance. Rotate to 150. Add corona color correction, connect map. Add color correction from general, connected. Drag last map to render setup as instance. Select corona color correction, brightness minus 0.05, exposure minus 1.9. We need to return dark material to the window frames. Select it, group open, select frame, assign dark material. Drag from render setup, select middle map, saturation minus 0.27. Temperature 5700, tint 0.04. Pick color correction, hue 3. Create region. File, import, merge, select palm file. Place it outside of the window, start render. Now we'll do window glass material with after raindrops. Select window glass, select material in the viewport, copy material. Assign. Right-click, change material map type, select corona layered MTL. Keep old. Change refraction color, value 240. IOR 1.49. Add new material, connect it. Add first map. Connect to mask 1. Change tiling to 1.5. Select second material, diffuse black, reflection level 1, refraction level 1. Add one more corona MTL connected. Add texture, plug into mask 2. Tiling 1.2. Copy material, connected. Add one more texture, connect to mask 3. Tiling 2.2. Select last material, refraction level 1, IOR 1.4. Select third material, refraction and reflection level 1, IOR 1.44. Select first material, translucency 1. Change translucency color, hue 145, saturation 50. Let's do drops more visible. Customize all materials, make refraction color a little darker. Now it looks good. If you don't see texture on the palm, you need to set path. Customize, configure project path, external files, select top path. Add folder with texture. Restart render. Drag map from render setup, copy all maps. Check reflection of a red box, drag maps to the bottom. Select middle map, brightness point 15, exposure 0. Change tint color, hue 136, saturation 60. Let's set settings for final render. Open render setup, scene, select corner high quality. Noise level 4. Start render. When your render reach 4% limit by noise, it will stop. Save render in PNG, antique alpha channel. That's all for today. In the next lesson we'll do post-production of the final render.